Walking into a garage with a cheap code reader is like trying to perform surgery with a butter knife. It just won't cut it when the stakes are high. You need something that provides real insight, not just a random string of numbers that leaves you guessing. This professional diagnostic tablet changes the entire workflow from the second you plug it in. The screen is vibrant and incredibly fast. There is no lag when you are swiping through menus, which is a lifesaver when you are pressed for time and covered in engine oil. Most basic scanners only look at the engine, but this powerhouse goes way deeper. It scans the transmission, the braking systems, the safety modules, and every hidden computer in the vehicle. It provides a complete map of the car's health. You can see problems before they even trigger a dashboard light. A live data features where things get really interesting. You can monitor the engine speed, the sensor voltages, and the fuel levels in real time. The graphs are clear and fluid. You can even record the data and play it back later. To catch those tiny glitches that only happen for a split second, it transforms the way you troubleshoot. But the real magic is the bi-directional control. This isn't just a reader, it's a commander. You can sit in the driver's seat and tell the car to turn on the fuel pump, or test the radiator fans, or pulse the fuel injectors. You are literally talking to the car and making it perform tasks on command. This eliminates the blind guessing game. You know instantly if a component is dead, or if the wiring is the problem. The build quality feels like it could take a beating in a busy shop environment. It is a rugged outer shell and a solid weight in your hand. It doesn't feel like a toy. It feels like a serious piece of industrial equipment. Plus, it is completely wireless. You can walk around the shop or stand under a lift while still controlling the diagnostic process. No cables to trip over. No being stuck in the footwell. Now, there's a trade-off for all this power. If you are a beginner, the amount of information can be intimidating. You might spend some time researching what all the different parameters actually mean. It is a professional tool that expects a certain level of knowledge. There is also the matter of the annual subscription. Keeping the software current with the newest vehicle models costs money. That is a standard part of owning professional gear, but it is something to consider if you're on a tight budget. For the occasional hobbyist, this is probably way too much tool. But for someone who wants to stop guessing and start fixing, this workstation is an absolute game changer. It provides the kind of clarity that makes you feel like an expert. Even when the problem is complex, it turns a frustrating diagnostic puzzle into a straightforward repair job. You are paying for the confidence of knowing exactly what is wrong. In a world of complicated car electronics, that level of certainty is worth every penny. It turns your garage into a high-tech command center. This is for the person who wants to see the whole picture, not just a tiny piece of the puzzle, and who values their time more than a cheap alternative. Having this kind of gear in your toolbox changes your entire perspective on maintenance. You stop hoping for a fix and start proving the solution. It is about precision and about having the right data exactly when you need it. If you are serious about working on modern cars, you simply cannot afford to be in the dark. This tablet shines a light on everything the car is trying to tell you. It is robust, it is fast, and it is built for people who actually use their hands for a living. Once you experience this level of diagnostic depth, going back to a basic handheld feels like stepping back in time 20 years. It is the difference between a guess and a guarantee.